ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we've been called by a customer who has a passenger vehicle broken down on a pretty bad spot on the interstate. They're no longer with the vehicle. They left the vehicle because the vehicle was in a dangerous spot. We're going to go pick it up and bring it into a shop of their choosing, but anyway, nobody was hurt, so we don't have to worry about that. What we have to watch out for now is the traffic and people who may not be paying attention or may not slow down and move over. Anyhow, here we go, and we'll see you on site. Okay, so I passed it. I saw it, rather. It's headed southbound while I was headed northbound. I went up to the next exit, turned around. It's not in as bad of a location as I thought. At first I thought it was on the diversion channel bridge, but it's not. It's right up here past this curve on the other side of these trees, which still always have to be careful out here on the side of the interstate. Always, always, always. You got to be on your toes. Put your head on a swivel, watch your six, you know, much different terms for it. Right here it is. Turn my red and blues on and my yellow left arrow, well, my left arrow to point people to get over. For anybody that watched the walk around video, this is what I was talking about, being able to roll the bed back and get it almost into position before I get out of the truck. Got the airboard going and they're still not moving over. right, this is just going to be a quick grab and go. I'm going to load it. Well, I've got it loaded. I'm going to take it up here to this next exit and finish putting the 4-point tie down on it. Get off this interstate. All right, back up here on the side of the road, or on the, found a phone, not very good, case all shattered. All right, anyway, that was a quick grab and go to get it off the interstate, and then you bring it up here to a safer location and finish the tie down. All right, if you remember what I've said in other videos, federal tie down requirements are a minimum of a 4-point tie down on cars. The winch is not a tie down. If you use all wheel straps, the wheel straps are actually considered a 2-point tie down each, because the front and the back. So if you're using all wheel tie downs, it's considered an 8-point instead of just a 4-point, but you have to have all 4 corners, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And again, the winch line does not count. So whenever I get the other tire strap on here, I'll put the PTO on and release the tension on the winch. But this is much safer than doing this out on the interstate. We moved maybe a 1/4 of a mile at most just to get it to a safe location where we could finish doing the tie down. Also got my little guardian angels on each of my shoulders. Hopefully they'll show up on the rear view camera. We got that tight. These are good. Now let's put the PTO in and let the winch off. Okay, pressure's off the winch. Still tight, still tight. All right, we are good to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we're going to do from here. As always, thank you for watching, and God bless.